Phones have become so important to us. Sometimes in a day we spend more time with them than our loved ones. They're beside us when we're sleeping. They're with us when we're happy. They're with us when we're sad. They're the 21st century companions we can't stay away from. So when something disrupts your phone, it disrupts your life. This is where Dilshad comes in. This is Dilshad. He is a OnePlus employee based in Jaipur. He knows your phone like a doctor knows anatomy. A repair job that may seem impossible to some people is routine for him. But some cases are special. We received a call one day. It was from a hospital. Someone had gotten into a serious accident while on their way to Jaipur and fractured her arm and leg. Her phone got smashed in the accident. The patient had to borrow someone else's phone to make an emergency call. She could barely hold the phone. Without it, she couldn't contact her family or anybody else. She didn't remember any numbers. Her family needed to know what had happened to her. He understood the gravity of the situation and immediately picked up the phone from the hospital. The screen was gone. Thankfully, the important parts were not damaged beyond repair. In 45 minutes, he was able to deliver the now repaired phone to the customer without wasting any time. He thought that her family needed to know what had happened to her as soon as possible. In the end, she got the phone and they were able to come get her. There are moments when you feel proud of what you do and are reminded of why it's important. It's why we love what we do. At OnePlus, every customer who comes to us with a complaint should leave with a smile on their face. We would never settle for anything less than that. Some days you replace a SIM tray and you've just repaired a phone. Other days, you've made a real difference. That's what it's all about, right?